Hey, what it do? What's Gucci, guys? It's your favorite mental back again with another banger, guys. So you guys saw the previous video, NFP. We milked the sell on US30 and gold. So now we're looking forward to trading CPI. So if you want to join the CPI group, make sure you create your Trade 245 account, which you can basically just click the link in the description below, or you can basically just come here, search Trade 245, fund your account with a minimum of 500 rands, send me a screenshot, and you will be added to the CPI bootcamp group, right? So you guys saw we killed NFP, so I'm just going to give you a market breakdown of US30 and Nasdaq just for us to see or for us to know what we have to expect from the market and how I think the market is going to move the coming week, right? So we're going to do the basic procedure, guys. We're going to outline the highest point, obviously being here, and then we're going to outline our lowest trending point, which is this one. You understand? So once we get the zones, we can now identify our playground, right? I like to call this my playground, which is my zones. Obviously, zones whereby we can see the market has sensitivity there, right? So the market could possibly give us a reversal at those zones, right? So let me just remove this and let's go. We go to down to the 4 hour time frame, so we can basically see the market is trending up and it has broken that uptrend, right? You can also see here the market was having support, which now turned into a resistance level, right? So we are gonna be looking for sells when it comes to Nasdaq and US30. But though the market could buy to sell, it could reach this area for it to start dropping, right? Because remember, there is nothing here that confirms our sell. Maybe just this small support which turned into resistance, but I don't trade based off those zones, but you can also take sells based off those zones and you can make money from it. It's just that it's gonna be very risky for you to enter there because it's not a sensitive area, right? We do have a trend line here. You see, that's why I'm saying we should just wait for the market to push to the upside, because it's also gonna try and liquidate people people's stop losses that are above that high, right? So obviously we're going to liquidate them and obviously also liquidate the trend line traders, tap into our zone and buy to the downside, right? So that's what I'm looking for when it comes to US30, guys. Short and simple, looking for the market to buy, and after the buy, looking for the sell. So basically it's a buy to sell. You get what I'm saying? So you're just going to put your entry point there, your stop loss slight above the zone, and then you take profit right there. So that's going to be a 1:6 trade, right? 6.6. So basically you can risk 100 rand to make like 600 rand, right? And once again, guys, make sure you click the link in the description to trade with the best broker, which is Trade 245. Guys, let's kill CPI with the best. So let me push to Nasdaq. So US30, we're looking for the market to buy, and then from the buy, we take the sell, right? So let me push to the daily time frame. Nasdaq, we're gonna identify the highest, lowest, and then we're gonna find our playground, right? So lowest trending point is gonna be this one, right? Lowest trending point is gonna be that one, then the highest one, that one, then maybe like this one here. See, Nasdaq is a bit choppy, guys. Nasdaq is messy. Ish. See what's going on here on Nasdaq. I don't understand the market, guys. The market is doing other things. So I guess we're gonna have like our trend line, which is this one, plotted there, and then take it all the way. You can see the market broke out and now it's retesting that trend line. So obviously we are gonna be looking for sells. It's very simple. Now with Nasdaq, we already found our entry. I don't know if you're getting me, because you saw that the market broke out. It started correcting right over here. So correcting, it broke out. It's now retesting this trend line, coming down, creating that double top, and then we get ourselves to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to push down to the 15 minutes time frame to see exactly what's happening, right? So currently we do have the zone right here, right? We do have that zone, and if I can do this, which is reset my chart, I can come back into this. Give me a 30-minute time frame. In the 30-minute, I can operate, guys. So sharp. So we have this zone that the market has to come back into for us to gain power. So obviously, I'm looking for Nasdaq to push back into this zone and then push down. So it's also like a buy to sell thing. Remember, the market just opened. So we could possibly see this sell taking place around London session, right? Get your sniper entries. This one can be a 1:9. You can risk 100 Rand to basically make 900 Rand. It's just an example, but you know, if you open your trade, it's going to go negative 150. So you can risk like 1,000 to make 9,000. You see, basically, yeah, that's how we go around about it, guys. So if you want to trade like me, you guys already know you have to click the link in the description, sign up with Trade 245, fund your accounts, chop CPI. If you don't know how to trade, if you are scared to enter the market, I have a free signal group. I'll leave the link in the description, guys. You saw we chopped NFP. Let's chop CPI, guys. I'll catch you guys on another video. I'll catch you guys on another video. Danko.